Today I'm going to share another high protein and low fat post-gym meal. I made some chicken fajitas with the most delicious and creamy homemade guacamole. This is the most perfect post-gym meal on a weeknight. It took me under 30 minutes to prepare this meal. It was full of nutrients and it was so easy to make. All of the ingredients I used are in the description below. So I'm going to start by marinating the chicken in some fajita spices. I'm going to give that a really good mix. I'm going to leave that to marinate for about an hour. So I'm going to heat up a pan and add some olive oil. I'm going to add the chicken in there. I'm going to let that cook on a high heat for 5 minutes. I'm going to make sure I stir after every minute or so. Meanwhile, I'm going to chop up the peppers and onion. So this has been going for 5 minutes. I'm going to add the veg in there and cook it for another 5 to 6 minutes. Chicken breast needs around 10 minutes to cook. It's so easy to overcook the chicken breast. 10 minutes on a high heat is the maximum you should be cooking it for. For some extra flavour, I'm going to add some ground smoked paprika. Here I've got some tomato paste. Just going to add a touch of Worcestershire sauce. I was in a bit of a rush after the gym, so I didn't really get to cook the chicken beforehand, so I'm just going to do that now to the bigger bits. And now for the guacamole that's going to bring this meal together. I'm just going to use 2 avocados. I'm going to peel them and cut them up. Ripe avocados are the best ones to use for this. I'm going to pop them in my Ninja Chopper. This is my favourite kitchen appliance. There's a complete review and unbox on my channel for this appliance. I'm going to link that in the description below. So I've added some Greek natural yogurt, some olive oil and some salt. I also added a little bit of pepper before I blended all that together. And just in a few seconds we've got the most creamy, delicious guacamole. So we're going to be using Warburton's wholemeal soft pittas. These are very high in protein and also seeded, so there's plenty of fibre in this meal as well. I'm just going to dry toast them on a pan before filling them. I might as well prepare the garnish while I'm waiting. So I'm just going to generously fill the pittas, and that's our post-gym meal ready on a Wednesday night.